Calm and hardworking. The key to success. Easy English for kids and beginners. Success is something many people dream about. We all want to do well in life, in school, in work, or in sports. Some people think success comes quickly. But the truth is, success comes when you are calm and hardworking. Let's learn how and why this is true. 1. What does success mean? Success means reaching your goal. It can be finishing a school project, learning a new skill, winning a race, getting a job, becoming a kind and helpful person. Everyone's goal is different, but no matter what the goal is, calm and hard work help you reach it. 2. Why is it important to be calm? Being calm means being quiet inside. You are not angry, scared, or in a hurry. You can think clearly. You can listen and learn. Calm people don't panic. They take one step at a time. For example, if you are in class and get a hard question, don't shout or give up. Take a deep breath. Stay calm. Read the question again. Try your best. This way, you have a better chance to find the answer. Calm helps your brain work better. 3. Why is hard work important? Hard work means trying again and again. You don't give up when things are hard. You keep going. You learn, you practice, and you improve. It may take time, but every small step brings you closer to success. Imagine a boy named Tom who wants to learn how to ride a bicycle. The first time he tries, he falls. The second time, he falls again. But he keeps trying. He listens to advice. He practices every day. After a week, he can ride the bike. That is the power of hard work. Hard work builds strength and skill. 4E. Fernsam. Calm plus hard work. Big success. Now, imagine if Tom was not calm. If he got angry every time he fell, or if he shouted at others, he would stop learning. And if he gave up after one fall, he would never ride the bike. But Tom stayed calm and kept working hard. That is why he succeeded. This is true for all goals. If you want to be a great reader, read every day. If you want to draw well, practice drawing slowly and calmly. If you want to win a race, train your body step by step. If you want to be a kind friend, think before you speak and help others. Success does not come fast. It grows like a plant. You must water it every day with calm and hard work. 5. A simple story. Sarah's dream. Let's meet Sarah, a young girl who loves music. She dreams of playing the piano. One day, her parents buy her a small keyboard. She is very happy. At first, she plays simple notes, but after some time, she wants to play a song. She tries, but it sounds wrong. Her fingers hurt. She feels sad. Sarah thinks, should I stop? But then she remembers something her teacher told her. Stay calm. Work hard. You will get better. So Sarah tries again. She plays slowly. She listens to each sound. Every day after school, she practices for 30 minutes. After 1 month, she plays her first full song. Her family claps. She smiles with joy. Her hard work and calm mind helped her succeed. Sarah did not give up. She kept trying. That is how she reached her goal. 6. What to do? When things are hard. Sometimes we all feel tired. Sometimes things don't go the way we want. That's normal. But here's what you can do. Breathe slowly. Count to 5. Let your mind calm down. Say something kind to yourself. I can try again. Take small steps. You don't have to do everything at once. Ask for help. Talk to a teacher, parent, or friend. Keep practicing. Every time you try, you get a little better. 7. Famous people who were calm and hardworking. Many great people reached success because they stayed calm and worked hard. Thomas Edison made the light bulb. He failed over 1,000 times. But he didn't get angry or stop. He said, "I have not failed. I have found 1,000 ways that don't work." Helen Keller could not see or hear, but she learned to read and write with great effort. She became a famous writer and speaker. Mahatma Gandhi stayed calm, even when people were unkind to him. He worked hard for peace and freedom without fighting. They all show us that success is not magic. It is calmness and effort over time. Oh, 8. You can do it. 2. No matter who you are or where you live, you can succeed. You just need a calm mind, a strong heart, hard-working hands, belief in yourself. Each time you try, you grow. Each time you stay calm, you think better. Put those together, and you will shine. 9 Saturdays 9:10. Calm people think better. When we feel angry, scared, or worried, our brain cannot think clearly. That's why being calm is very important. Calm people can solve problems better, listen to others, learn new things, stay peaceful inside. Let's say you have a math test. If you panic and say, "I can't do this," your brain gets confused. But if you say, "Let me stay calm and try one question at a time," your brain will focus. You will do better just because you are calm. So remember, before you start any big job or test, take a deep breath. Smile. Be kind to yourself. Say, "I can do this." Then begin. 10. Hard work is like climbing a mountain. Imagine a tall mountain. At the top is your dream. Maybe it's being a great student, a painter, a doctor, or a soccer player. To reach the top, you must climb. Some days it's sunny and easy. Some days it's rainy and hard. Some days you want to stop. But every step you take gets you closer. That's what hard work is like. Even small steps matter. If you keep climbing, you will reach the top. There is no elevator to success. You must take the stairs, one step at a time. 11. Calm and hard work in teamwork. Success isn't always just about doing something alone. Many times we need to work with other people, in school groups, in family, in sports. In teamwork, calm people help the group stay strong. They listen. They do not shout. They help others. And hard-working people do their part. They don't wait for others to do all the work. They help carry the load. If you are both calm and hard-working, people will want to work with you. Your group will do better, and you will feel proud of how you helped. 12. Try, fail, try again. It's okay. No one gets everything right the first time. Everyone makes mistakes. That's part of learning. The key is what you do after the mistake. Calm people say, "It's okay. What can I learn from this? I'll try again." Hardworking people say, "I will not give up. I will try one more time. Practice makes me better." This is how you grow. This is how you become strong inside. Even when you fall, you can stand up and keep going. That is success. 13. A story from real life. Grandpa Sam's garden. Let's hear about Grandpa Sam, a kind old man who loved to grow vegetables. Every morning, he went to his small garden. He watered the plants, pulled out weeds, and waited. His neighbor laughed. "You work every day, but the plants are still small." Grandpa Sam just smiled. "They will grow in their time." Weeks passed. His plants stayed small, while others gave up. But Grandpa Sam stayed calm. He didn't rush. He didn't stop. After 2 months, his garden was full of red tomatoes, green beans, and big pumpkins. Everyone came to see the garden. "How did you do this?" they asked. "I worked hard," said Grandpa Sam, "and I stayed calm." He shared his vegetables with everyone. He showed the village that patience and effort bring good results. 14. Helpful habits for calm and success. Here are some small things you can do every day to build calmness and a strong work habit. Wake up early. Start the day fresh and peaceful. Make a plan. Write down 3 things you want to do today. Take breaks. After studying for 30 minutes, rest for 5 minutes. Breathe deeply. When you feel worried, breathe in and out. Be kind. Smile at people. Say thank you and help others. Sleep well. A calm body needs rest to work hard again. Doing these things every day helps your mind and body stay strong. 15. Let's look at a calm hero. Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was a woman in history who stayed calm but brave. One day, she sat on a bus seat that some people said she should leave. She did not shout or fight. She sat quietly. But her calm and brave action helped start a big change in the world. She didn't run or yell. She stayed calm, and she worked hard for justice. Today, many people remember her as a hero because she believed in peace and didn't give up. You can also be a hero in small ways, by being kind, by staying calm, and by working hard for what is right. 16. You are growing. Every day you wake up, you are learning. Your brain is growing. Your heart is growing. Even if you don't see it, your calm and hard work are building your future. Some days you feel small. Some days you feel slow. But don't worry. Big trees once started as small seeds. You are that seed. Keep learning. Keep trying. Keep smiling. 17. What you can say to yourself. Here are some simple, powerful words you can say to yourself every day. I am calm. I work hard. I learn from mistakes. I believe in myself. Step by step, I will succeed. Words are strong. Say them. Believe them. Live them. 18. One last story. The bamboo tree. In some parts of the world, there is a special tree called the bamboo tree. When you plant it, nothing happens in the first year. Nothing happens in the second year, or the third, or even the fourth. But the farmer keeps watering it. He keeps feeding the soil. He never gives up. In the 5th year, something amazing happens. The bamboo tree grows very tall, up to 80 feet in just 6 weeks. So, did it grow in 6 weeks? No. It was growing inside the whole time, under the ground, getting ready. You are like that bamboo tree. Keep watering your dreams. Keep believing. Your success is growing, even if you can't see it yet. Final thoughts. Success is not about being the fastest. It's not about being loud or lucky. Success is about a calm heart, a strong mind, a spirit that never gives up, a kind and honest way of living, working step by step, day by day. You don't have to rush, you just have to keep going. So remember, whenever you feel tired, angry, or ready to quit, pause, breathe, smile, and try again. Because calm and hard work are the true keys to open the door to success. Success does not come from shouting. It does not come from being fast all the time. It comes from being patient, being calm, and working hard every day. Just like a turtle who walks slowly but wins the race. Just like a little seed that grows into a big tree. Remember this. Stay calm. Work hard. Never give up. And you will reach your dreams.